Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Sony SRS speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So to do this, all you have to do is just to click and hold this power button until indicator turns on. If it is not working, just repeat for a few times. Sometimes this speaker is not working properly. As you can see in my case, I just turned it on and it just turns off. So be patient and try to turn it on. Okay, as you can see right now it is working, and in my case the Bluetooth button is blinking quickly, so it means that I am in the pairing mode automatically, but you have to click on it once to confirm this pairing. So right now it's blinking even quicker. And right now on your iOS device you have to open the settings, open the Bluetooth, click on this switcher, and from the devices list you have to just select your SRS-XB23 speaker.
Bluetooth connected.
And as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.